Hey folks, it's Kaylie from PropTalk Magazine.
And I'm Lenny from FishTalk Magazine.
And we're at the Baltimore Boat Show at the Baltimore Convention Center. So we're going to show you the top 5 reasons that you should come to the show, starting with number 1.
There are over 300 boats on display here right now.
And it runs from now until Sunday. Okay folks, our number 2 reason for coming to the Baltimore Boat Show is Go Fishing Friday. So you'll find all things Friday at the boat show, including this awesome fishing simulator. There's going to be a fishing tournament. There's also a fish fry, fishing seminars, and a crab picking contest Friday night at 6 p.m. Now I have to go catch this fish. Okay folks, our number 3 reason for coming to the show, you can hone your boating skills in winter at the docking pool where Lenny is right now, or one of the many virtual boating skills trainers. So check it out. Okay guys, our number 4 reason for coming to the Baltimore Boat Show, there's plenty to do for boating kids, including the Touch a Boat tour. So you get passport stamps at each stop you go to. There's also a kids build a boat and even junior boating classes for kids. So plenty to do for the whole family.
Kaylie, come here. And you can enter a free outboard, free outboard.
Okay, we saved the best for last. Number 5, come see PropTalk and FishTalk at booth 613 at the Baltimore Boat Show. Come see us. So there you have it, folks. Lots of great things to see.
We hope you come join us in Baltimore.